Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you plus one accountancy lesson 4. Name of the lesson is ledger. In the previous class I have started. Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you plus one accountancy lesson 4. Name of the lesson is ledger accounts. In the previous class I have started the ledger account. How to prepare the ledger account means based on the transactions given. That is, based on the transactions we can prepare the journal entries. Based on the journal entries we can prepare the ledger account. So first we have to prepare the journal entries and then we have to prepare the ledger accounts. Based on that, I will teach you one sum today. How to pass the journal entries. Based on the journal entries, how to prepare the ledger accounts. Take exercise question number 8, page number 79. Question number 8, page number 79. Okay. Yes, listen. Enter the following transactions in the books of Ganeshan and post them into the ledger. So, first we have to pass the journal entries with the help of the given transactions. And then we have to post them into the ledger. Okay, first we have to prepare the journal entries. Okay, the format of journal entry is what? Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, rupees. Okay. Listen carefully. Date is October 1, 2017. So 2017 October 1. What is the first transaction? Started business with cash. I already told you, commenced business, started business with the help of capital only. So here Mr. Ganeshan contributed some capital. So Ganeshan's capital is personal account. He is contributing the amount to the business. So Ganeshan's capital will be credit the giver as per the personal account rule. Then he is received that amount contributing in the form of cash. So cash is coming into the business. So as per the real account rule, cash is debit and Ganeshan's capital is credit. So the journal entry is cash account debtor to Ganeshan's capital account. Ganeshan capital account. Okay, the amount is rupees debit 25,000, credit 25,000. Ganeshan started business with cash. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. The second transaction is date 5. Deposited into bank. What we will deposited into the bank? Only one, cash only. Cash is deposited into the bank. So if they did not give cash words, means we can understand cash only we are going to deposit. So cash deposited into bank or deposited into bank or paid into bank or cash paid into bank, all are same meaning only. Here cash is deposited into the bank. So cash is going out. Cash is going out. As per the real account rule, cash is going out. So cash will be credited. Who will receive this amount? Bank is receiving this amount. As per the personal account debit, the receiver. So bank will be the receiver and cash is going out. So bank account debtor to cash account. So the second journal entry is bank account debtor. Second journal entry is what? Bank account debtor to cash account. Bank account debtor to cash account. Okay. deposited into bank. Now listen carefully. What is the amount? Amount is 12,500. 12,500. Okay. Yes. Now the third journal entry is date 10. Purchased furniture and payment made by check rupees 2,000. Mr. Ganeshan purchased one furniture for his business. Okay, so the furniture is the asset. If any assets will come as per the real account rule, debit what comes in. So the furniture will come in the debit side because furniture is the asset. Purchase of furniture is the asset. Purchase of goods means purchase account as per the nominal account rule. But here the purchase of furniture is the asset. So asset as per the real account rule, purchase account will be furniture account will be coming in debit side. Okay, this furniture is purchased by in which way, which mode? By check, that is bank. Check means what? Bank. So furniture account debtor to bank account. Furniture account debtor to bank account. So the third journal entry is furniture account debtor to bank account. So third journal entry is date 10. Furniture account debtor. Furniture account debtor to bank account because we gave the amount as check. So purchase of furniture by check. Okay. Amount is 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. 2,000. Okay. What is the next? Date is 15. Goods purchased for cash. See, here goods is for business, doing the business. So purchase of goods is the expenses. So purchase account will be the nominal account. So as per the nominal account, purchase of goods will come in the debit side. But we have to put only purchase account. Purchase account will be debited. The goods purchased for cash. So cash account will be credited. So date is what? 15. Purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to cash account. What is the amount? Amount is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. 5,000. Purchase of goods for cash. Okay. What is the next journal entry? Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Sold goods to Vasu. Sold goods is nothing but sales. Sales is a nominal account. That is an income. So as per the nominal account, any incomes which will come in the credit side. So sales account will coming in the credit side. Okay. This sales made to who? Vasu for credit. So he did not pay the amount. That is, we didn't receive the amount from Vasu. So Vasu is a personal account. So Vasu is a personal account to whom we made the sales. Vasu. So Vasu is receiving this goods as per the personal account rule. Who is receiving the goods? Vasu is receiving the goods. So Vasu account debtor to sales account. The entry is Vasu account debtor to sales account. So the next journal entry is Vasu account debtor to sales account. Date is 19. Vasu account debtor to sales account. Amount is 5,000. Sorry, 4,000. 4,000. Sold goods to Vasu. Sold goods to Vasu. Next date is 22. Goods worth rupees 500 taken for personal use. If the word personal use will come means automatically it will be converted into drawings. So personal accounts means drawings. Okay, so always drawings will be debited. Okay, goods worth rupees 500 taken from the business. So that goods for the purpose of selling only the Mr. Ganeshan was purchased. Now the purchase account will be reduced because from the purchase only this fellow has taken some goods. So the purchase account will be reduced. So now the purchase account will come in the credit side. Drawings will come in the debit side. Okay. So drawings account debtor. Drawings account debtor to purchase account. Why the purchase account will coming in the credit side means from the purchase only he has taken some goods. So purchase account will be credited. What is the amount? So rupees 500 will be the drawing. Goods taken for personal use. Okay. Listen, my dear students. After completing all the journal entries, now we have to put the numbers for the account. Okay, what is the first journal entry? Cash account debtor to Ganeshan's capital account. So, in cash account you put one line, you put one first. Number one. First you have to go to the journal entries. In cash account you put a straight small line, one hyphen, put in the pencil 1. Okay, first account. What is the second account? Ganeshan's capital is the second account. So Ganeshan capital you put small hyphen, put 2. Okay, second ledger. What is the third ledger? Deposited cash into bank. So bank account debtor to cash account. So bank account is the new one. So bank account will be the 3. Cash account already we put the number. So don't want to put again the number. You just leave it off. What is the next journal entry? Purchase of furniture paid by check. So purchase account debtor to bank. So furniture account debtor to bank. Furniture is the new account. So you put account next number 4. Check, that is bank. Bank already we have numbered. Next, so 4 account is over. Fifth account, purchase of goods for cash. So purchase account is new one. Purchase account will be the 5. Cash account already numbered. Next, sold goods to Vasu. So here Vasu account to sales. Vasu account one number and sales account is another number. That is 6 and 7. Vasu is 6. Sales is 7. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Next. Goods worth rupees 500 taken for personal use. Drawings. Drawings will be the 8th account. Already purchase account numbered, so don't want to put again the number, you just complete it. So now totally 8 ledgers has come for this sum. Okay, now we have to prepare one by one based on the transactions, that is journal entries. Based on the journal entries, we have to prepare the ledger account. What is the first ledger account? Cash account. Cash account is the first ledger. So we have to put the ledger account. So you have while you doing preparing the ledger accounts, we have to use the two sides of the accountancy note. That is in ledger, you have to put in the center ledger account. Below that, what is the first ledger? First ledger is cash account. So here date, particulars, JF, that is journal folio. This is amount in rupees. I already told you there will be a 2 amount column in the ledgers of the both the sides, but you have to use only the second column of the debit side. That is one debit column, one credit column will be there. Debit column, amount column, you just leave it off. Credit, that is the second amount column you can use for amount column. Likewise, in credit side also, date, particulars, JF, 2 amount column will be there. The first amount column you just leave it off. The second amount column you can put amount in rupees. Okay, this is credit side CR. This is debit side, you put DR. Okay, definitely you have to put these formalities. Okay. Now come to the cash account. While you preparing the cash account, the cash ledger account we have to prepare based on the journal only. Okay, what we have prepared the journal, from that journal only we can prepare the ledger accounts. Now we are preparing only the first account is what? Cash account. So wherever the cash account is available, you have to take that entry only. Okay, if suppose cash is not affected any journal entry, we should not see or we should not interfere in that journal entry. Okay, now come to the first journal entry. What is the journal entry for? Cash account debtor to Ganeshan's capital account. Here cash account is the debit side. Okay, so your hand should come in the debit side, because wherever the account, what we are preparing the account, that account wherever is there, you have to move that side. That is here cash account debtor to Ganeshan's capital account. So cash account will be debited, your hand should come in the debit side, but you have to put the opposite entry, that is corresponding credit entry only you have to put to Ganeshan's capital account. Date is what? October 1, 2017. So you have to put here 2017 October 1 to Ganeshan's capital account. Understood? So cash account debtor, you are preparing cash account, so you have to move to the first journal entry, cash account debit. So your hand should come in the debit side, but you have to put the credit entry only to Ganeshan's capital account. What is the amount of cash? 25,000. The amount column you put just rupees 25,000. Come to the second journal entry, date 5, deposited cash into bank. So bank account debtor to cash account. Now the cash account will be the credit side, your hand should come in the credit side. What is the date? 2017 October 5. So journal entry is what? Bank account debtor to cash account. Now cash account in the credit side, your hand should come in the credit side, but the reverse entry how to put? What is the reverse entry? That is, what is the opposite entry? Bank. So when you are using credit side you put by, when you are using debit side you put to. So by bank account, how much? Rupees 12,500. 12,500. What is the next journal entry? Purchased furniture and payment made by check. So furniture account debtor to check bank account. Here there is no cash, you just leave it off. Okay, next, come to the next entry. Purchased goods for cash. Purchase account debtor to cash account. Now the cash account is in the credit side, so your hand should come in the credit side. What is the date? Date is 15. Purchase account debtor to cash. So cash will be in the credit side, your hand should come in the credit side. But what is the opposite debit entry? By purchase. By purchase. Amount rupees 5,000. Next. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Here Vasu account debtor to sales. There is no cash. Just leave it off this entry. Come to the next journal entry. Goods worth rupees 500 has taken for personal use. Drawings to purchase. Here also there is no cash. Wherever the cash entry is available, that journal entry we have to take. Okay. Now all cash account is over from the journal entries. So now we can compile the account. How to compile the account? Balancing the account. How to balancing the account? But first we have to check which side is bigger. That is either the debit side or credit side. So here debit side is 25,000, credit side is 17,500 only. So definitely debit side cash is more. How much? 25,000. So the same 25,000 should come here as a balance. Okay. But here 25,000 is there. Which side is bigger? That amount only should come in the debit side and credit side. That is the rule for balancing the ledger accounts. Now here debit side is more, so both the sides 25,000 has come. But here 17,500 only come. While we balancing, what we have to do from 25,000, we must deduct the amount available. That is 17,500. From 25,000, we have to deduct these two. We'll get the balancing figure 7,500. For adjusting 25,000, we have to put 7,500. This 7,500 is the closing balance of cash. Because we are preparing cash account only, no? So closing balance. I already told you, closing balance must be named as by balance carried down. Always any closing balances will come either debit side or credit side. Debit side comes means to balance carried down. Credit side the closing balance has come means by balance carried down. Okay, this is which month? October 1. So So October month closing balance. This is October month closing balance. So what is the date of the October month closing date? 31st. So you have to put here 31st. So October 31st we got the closing balance as 7,500. So usually all the ledger accounts closing balances will be coming to the opening balances. So cash account closing balances has come in the credit side. Now it has come to the debit side. So this is the rule. Okay, closing balance always coming as the opening balances to balance brought down. Closing balance here. This closing balance will come as the next month opening balance to balance brought down. Closing balance named as balance carried down. Opening balance named as balance brought down. What is the balance? 7,500. This 7,500 show next to the total amount. Okay, next. So this is next month. What is the next month? October. Next month is November. November. First date is what? Because opening month is 1 only, no. So every opening month started from 1. So next month is November. Date is 1. November month. The opening balances shows to balance brought down to be 7,500. Okay. Based on that, we have to prepare another ledger account. What is the next ledger account? That is, as per the numbered, next ledger account is Ganeshan's Capital. Now I will prepare the Ganeshan's Capital. Second ledger is Ganeshan's Capital. Okay. So the next ledger. So after preparing one ledger account, you please leave one line, then you continue the second ledger. Okay. So second ledger is what? Ganeshan's Capital. Ganeshan's Capital. You can put Ganeshan's Capital or alone capital account. Both are same only. Okay, Ganeshan's Capital. Here, Ganeshan's Capital is available only in one places. What is the journal entry? Cash account debtor to Ganeshan's Capital account. Okay, Ganeshan Capital account available in the credit side. Your hand should come in the credit side. What is the date? 2017 October 1. Ganeshan's Capital available in the credit side. That's why the hand come in the credit side. But what is the debit entry for that? Cash account. So by cash account amount is rupees 25,000. Listen, my dear students. But here capital account is available in only out of all the journal entries, only one place is affected. So we have to compile the ledger account. Now what we have to do? Here only 25,000 is available here. No, nothing amount is available in the debit side. So definitely this 25,000 should come in the both the sides. So 25,000, same 25,000 will come in the debit side also. Now here 25,000 is there, 25,000 we put. Here 25,000 is nothing is there, but we combine 25,000. So the same closing balance will come here 25,000. Previous some amount was available, so that's what we deducted from the 25,000. But here nothing is there. The same balance will come here. Okay. For compiling the accounts, nothing the amount is there. So if the amount is available means from this we deduct and put the balance. But here nothing is available. The same 25,000 will come as the closing balance. So closing balance named as to balance carried down. What is the date? Closing date? October 31st. This October 31st closing balance will come as opening balance. November 1 by balance brought down. By balance brought down. What is the amount? 25,000. This is the second ledger. What is the third ledger? What is the third ledger? Bank. Okay. Third ledger is bank. Now I'll prepare the third ledger. Bank account. Okay. Now, what is the journal entry? Bank account debtor to cash account. Now, the bank account available in the debit side. third ledger is bank account. Bank account is in debit side. Okay, so hand should come in the debit side. What is the date? October 5. To cash account, because bank account debit means to cash account. What is the amount? Amount is 12,500. Now check wherever the bank account is available. In third entry, purchase of furniture and payment made by check. Purchase account at to bank. Now the bank account is in the credit side. So why you have to come in the credit side? Date is what? 10. What is the journal entry? Purchase furniture account data to purchase furniture account data to bank. So bank is in the credit side. So we have our hands will come in the credit side. What is the debit entry? Buy furniture. Buy furniture. What is the amount? Furniture amount is 12,500. Furniture amount is 2,000 rupees. Furniture is 2,000. Now next come to the next entry. So, purchase of goods for cash. There is no bank entry. Sold goods to Vasu. No bank entry. Goods worth rupees taken for personal use. There is no bank entry. Now we can close the account. Nothing. Any other items is there means we can close. Which side is bigger? Definitely debit side is bigger. 12,500. The same 12,500 will come here because 12,500 is the highest amount. Here 12,500 is there, so the total is 12,500. But here only 2,000 is there, but we put 12,500. Now we have to balance. How to balance? From 12,500 we deduct this 2,000. You will get 10,500 as closing balance of bank account. What is the closing balance name? By balance carried out. What is the date? October 31st. That is the closing balance of bank is 10,500. It will come in the opening balance as to balance carried down, like brought down. How much? 10,500. Okay, what is the date? Next month, November 1. Okay, November 1, 10,500. Okay, now come to the next journal entry. Purchase of furniture to bank. So furniture is the fourth ledger. Furniture is the fourth ledger. Okay, fourth ledger is what? Furniture account. Furniture account. Now what is the journal entry? Furniture account data to bank account. Furniture account data to bank account. Now the furniture account is in the debit side. Your hand should come in the debit side. What is the date? October 10. Furniture account data to bank. So to bank because furniture is in the debit side. So hand should come in the debit side. But you have to put credit entry only to bank. What is the amount? Rupees 2,000. Any other furniture is available in this journal entry? No, nothing. So we have to close the journal entries. Close the account. So here 2,000 is there. So by here nothing is there. The same 2,000 will come here. 2,000 rupees. So the same amount will come here as closing balance because nothing is amount is available. So the same closing total amount will come in the closing balance by balance carried down. What is the date? October 31st. So the same closing balance will come in the opening balance as to balance brought down 2,000. Okay, November 1. The opening balance is to balance brought down rupees 2,000. What is the next ledger account? Goods purchased for cash. Purchase account data to cash account. Purchase account is the fifth ledger account. Purchase account will be the fifth ledger account. So the fifth ledger account is the purchase account. Fifth ledger is purchase account. Okay. The next ledger is fifth ledger, that is purchase account. Okay. What is the journal entry? Purchase account data to cash. What is the date? 15. So October 15, purchase account data is in the debit side. What is the credit entry to cash? So to cash, purchase account data is the debit side. So to cash, what is the amount? Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Any other purchases available in this sum? Yes. In 22, goods worth rupees 500 was taken for personal use. What is the journal entry for that? Drawings account data to purchase. Now purchase is in the credit side. So your hand should come in the credit side. What is the date? 22. Purchase account. Drawings account data to purchase account. So purchase account is in the credit side. Her hand should come in the debit side. But the debit entry is what? Drawings. Buy drawings. Rupees 500. Any other purchase account is there? No. So we have to close the ledger account. 5,000. 5,000. From 5,000 we deduct this 500, we will get 4,500. This is the closing balance. Closing balance named as by balance carried down. Date is 31st. This closing balance will come as the opening balance of next month, November 1. To balance brought down. What is the balance? 4,500. The closing balance will come in that opening balance. Now the next ledger is what? Sold goods to Vasu. Vasu account data to sales account. So Vasu is the next ledger. Vasu is the next ledger. 6. Vasu is the next ledger. Vasu is the next ledger account. What is the date? Date is Vasu account data to sales account. So date is 19. Vasu account data to sales. So to sales account, how much? Rupees 5,000. Is there any other Vasu account is there in the sum? No. So just close it off. Rupees 5,000. The same closing balance will come here as by 5,000. Same. Here come 5,000. Nothing is there means this amount same come to the same amount. By balance carried down. Date is 31st. Now it will come in the opening balance as November 1 to balance brought down. What is the closing balance? 5,000. Okay. Now the next ledger account is this ledger account is called Vasu account. 6th account is Vasu account. This is Vasu account. Okay, so Vasu account data debit. That's why the entry come in the debit side to sales 5,000. The same 5,000 will come here both because there is no amount here. The same 5,000 will come here as the closing balance. It will come in the opening balance. Now the next ledger is what? Sales account. 7th ledger is sales account. Seventh ledger is what? Sales account. Sales account. Okay. What is the entry for sales account? Vasu account data to sales account. Sales account is in the credit side. So October 19. Sales account is in the credit side, but who is the debit? Vasu. So by Vasu account, rupees 4,000. Okay, 4,000. So the same 4,000 will come here as closing balance 4,000. Here also same 4,000. Same 4,000 will come here as closing balance. This closing balance named as to balance carried down October 31st. This October 31st will come here November 1 by balance brought down. What is the amount? 4,000. Okay. Now the last ledger is drawings. Okay. Last ledger is called drawings. 8th ledger. 8th ledger is drawings account. The 8th ledger is drawings. Okay. Drawings account. What is the entry? Drawings account account to purchase account. So drawings is in the debit side. Put date 22 to purchase because drawing is in the debit side. What is the amount? 500. Is there any drawings in the sum? No. Just close it off. Rupees 500. Same 500 will come in the debit side. 500. This balance as closing balance. By balance brought carried down. What is the date? What is the date? So the date is October 31st. Closing balance is October 31st. This will come in the debit side. To balance brought down. Amount is 500. Number. So wherever the opening balances is come, that is the correct. That is the answer for given in the sum. Okay, you can check your textbook. The closing opening balances will be given. Not closing balance they will not given. Opening balance only. The debit side DR means debit side, CR means credit side. You can check your answers. The last drawings account. Drawings account what they have given drawings account debit side because the opening balance will come in the debit side. So your answer will check in the opening balance only, not in the closing balance. Opening balance means either it is in the DR means debit side, CR means credit side. Okay, here you can check all the ledger account balances as answers given in the textbook. Now you can practice 9th sum. Question number 9, page number 79. You can practice this sum. So in next classes, I will teach you some more sums from this same chapter. Okay, thank you.